Meet the Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel, the ultimate car cleaning tool that takes care of those hard-to-reach spots in your vehicle. Designed for air vents, steering wheels, cup holders, and dashboards, this eco-friendly cleaning gel grabs dust and debris effortlessly without leaving residue. Simply press the gel into tight spaces, let it pick up dust, and watch your car sparkle. Bonus? Infused with a pleasant lavender scent, the gel works beyond your car. It's perfect for cleaning keyboards, remotes, and more. At just $7.99, this handy tool is an affordable solution for keeping your spaces neat. With over 90,000 glowing reviews, the Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel is a must-have for every car owner. Eco-friendly, effective, and convenient. It's your secret weapon for a cleaner ride. ticarve Car Cleaning Gel. Meet the ticarve Car Cleaning Gel, the oddly satisfying way to keep your car spotless. This bright pink cleaning putty is designed to reach every tiny nook and cranny in your car, grabbing dust, dirt, and even pet hair with ease. Using it is super simple. Just press the gel into air vents, cup holders, or any hard-to-reach spot, and watch it pull out all the hidden grime. Plus, it leaves no residue. And here's the best part. It's reusable. Keep using it until the color darkens, then store it in its jar for next time. Made from eco-friendly materials, this gel comes with a refreshing lavender scent. At just $6.98, it's a must-have for any car owner who wants a quick and fun way to keep their ride clean. With over 16,000 positive ratings, it's clear. This detailing tool is a game-changer. Keeping your car spotless has never been easier with the DNA Motoring Tools Car Cleaning Jelly. This 4-pack universal cleaning gel comes in vibrant blue, red, green, and yellow, making car detailing fun and effective. Designed to reach deep into air vents, cup holders, and tiny crevices, this high-tech, eco-friendly putty effortlessly lifts dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris. No scrubbing required. Just press it into the surface, pull it back, and watch the grime disappear. Not just for cars, this reusable cleaning gel works wonders on keyboards, remotes, phones. Use it multiple times until the color darkens. Then store it in a cool place for next time. With a 4.1-star rating, this must-have detailing tool keeps your car fresh and clean with minimal effort. Get your pack today and say goodbye. Keeping your car's interior spotless just got easier with FiveJoy Car Cleaning Gels. This 4-pack universal cleaning putty is perfect for tackling dust and debris in those hard-to-reach areas. Air vents, dashboards, cup holders, and more. But it doesn't stop there. You can also use it on keyboards, remotes, game consoles, and other electronic gadgets. Using it is simple. Just press the gel onto the surface, lift it up, and watch as dirt and dust stick to it. Plus, it's eco-friendly, safe for your hands, and has a light, fresh scent. With multiple colors and reusable formulas, you get long-lasting cleaning power. At just $8.99, with a 4-star rating from over 8,000 reviews, it's a must-have for every car owner. Say goodbye to dust and hello to a cleaner ride with FiveJoy. Tired of dust and crumbs hiding in your car's interior? Meet the Chemical Guy's Sticky Icky Car Cleaning Gel, your quick and easy solution for a spotless ride. This green apple-scented cleaning gel is designed to tackle those hard-to-reach spots: air vents, dashboards, steering wheels, cup holders, and more. Just press it into cracks and watch dust and debris stick right to it. No scrubbing, no hassle, just a quick once-over, and you're done, effortlessly pulling out crumbs and dirt without damaging surfaces. Plus, It's reusable. Break off a piece, clean it, and store it for next time. Not just for cars, use it on keyboards, remotes, and office gadgets too. At $19.99 with a 4.6-star rating, it's a must-have for car lovers. Get yours today and keep your interior looking fresh with Chemical Guy's Sticky Icky. The ticarve Cleaning Gel, your go-to solution for a spotless ride. This high-tech cleaning putty is designed to reach those tricky spots, air vents, cup holders, and dashboard crevices, lifting away dust, debris, and pet hair with ease. Just press, pull, and watch the dirt disappear. Not just for cars, this lavender-scented gel also works wonders on keyboards, remotes, and other rugged surfaces. Plus, it's reusable. Use it until the color darkens, then store it in the bag for next time. At just $4.99, this handy tool is a budget-friendly must-have for every car owner. With over 5,300 reviews and a 3.9-star rating, it's a fan favorite for quick and easy detailing. Say goodbye to hard-to-reach dust and hello to a cleaner car. Meet the COLORCORAL Car Cleaning Gel, your ultimate solution for keeping your car and gadgets spotless. This 160-gram gel is a versatile, easy-to-use cleaner designed for car vents, keyboards, cameras, speakers, and more. Made from natural gel, it's non-sticky, skin-friendly, and infused with a soothing lavender scent for a pleasant cleaning experience. Simply knead it into a ball, press it into those hard-to-reach spots, and watch as it lifts away dust and dirt effortlessly. Reusable until it darkens or turns sticky, this gel is a cost-effective, eco-friendly choice. Priced at just $6.29, it's a steal with a stellar 4.2 out of 5 rating from over 22,348 happy users. Perfect for adults, teens, or as a gift, the COLORCORAL Cleaning Gel keeps your car interior and gadgets fresh and dust-free. Store it in a cool place and enjoy a cleaner, brighter space. Check out JUSTTOP Universal Cleaning Gel, your go-to for keeping things clean without the hassle. Made with eco-friendly, biodegradable gel and a light lemon scent, it's safe for you and the environment. This little thing works wonders on hard-to-reach areas like car trim, air vents, dashboards, gear shifts, and even CD slots. Plus, it's perfect for keyboards, remotes, and other gadgets. It's also great for use at home or in the office. The best part? It's reusable. Just crush it, squeeze it into the crevice, and watch as it lifts out all the dust and grime. And look, it's fun to rub around too. Great for stress relief. At just $5.99, it's a hassle-free, especially with a 3.9 out of 5 rating from over 14,000 reviews. Keep your car and gadgets clean without breaking a sweat. Tear one up and see why everyone is loving it. Tired of dust and grime lurking in your car's tiny crevices? Meet the Moly Magnolia Cleaning Gel, your new go-to for keeping things spotless. This universal detailing putty is perfect for cleaning car air vents, cup holders, dashboards, and all those hard-to-reach places. Just knead it, press it, lift, and watch the dirt disappear. Unlike regular cloths, this gel gets deep into gaps where dust loves to hide. It's safe, eco-friendly, and has a light lemon scent. No harsh chemicals here. Plus, it's reusable until it darkens. At just $4.99, it's a steal for keeping your car looking fresh. Not just for cars, use it on keyboards, remotes, cameras, and more. With a 3.9-star rating from 4,500+ reviews, car owners love how easy and effective it is. Say goodbye to dust And hello to a cleaner ride with Moly Magnolia Cleaning Gel. Introducing the ASFSKY Cleaning Gel, the ultimate dust-busting slime for those hard-to-reach spots. Traditional cloths and vacuums just don't cut it, but this universal cleaning putty gets into every nook and cranny with ease. Perfect for car dashboards, vents, consoles, and cup holders, it grabs dust, dirt, and crumbs in seconds. Just press, lift, and watch the grime disappear. It's also great for keyboards, cameras, remotes, and more, making it a must-have for car owners and tech lovers alike. At just $5.99, this reusable gel keeps your car fresh without breaking the bank. With a 4.1-star rating from 2,600+ reviews, customers love how simple and effective it is. Say goodbye to stubborn dust, and hello to a cleaner ride with ASFSKY Cleaning Gel. This universal cleaning putty is the perfect tool to keep your car's interior spotless. Designed for air vents, steering wheels, and cup holders, it easily lifts dirt from tight spaces where traditional cleaning tools fail. Not just for cars, it works wonders on keyboards, remotes, printers, and other household gadgets too. With a large 250-gram capacity, this non-sticky, flexible, and reusable gel lasts up to 3 months before needing a replacement. Using it is simple. Just knead, press, and lift, and watch dust disappear. Plus, at $8.99, it's an affordable way to keep your ride fresh. With a 4.1-star rating, car owners love its efficiency and ease of use. Say goodbye to crumbs and dust with the Pure Basics Gunk Getter, the ultimate cleaning gel for those hard-to-reach spots. This 3-ounce blue cleaning slime easily grabs dirt, dust, and debris from cup holders, keyboards, dashboards, vents, and more. Unlike other gels, it won't leave your hands sticky or discolored. Just press it in, peel it up, and watch the gunk disappear. Perfect for keeping your car's interior fresh and clean, the Gunk Getter comes in a resealable pouch, making it easy to store and reuse. Plus, it's scented, so no weird chemical smells. With a 3.7-star rating from 200+ reviews, it's a handy $2.99 solution for car owners who hate dirt in tight spaces. Compact, effective, and travel-friendly. Grab yours today and keep your car looking spotless. Keeping your car spotless just got easier with the TeSabMi Car Cleaning Gel. This pink cleaning putty is ideal for picking up dust, dirt, and crumbs from air vents, cup holders, dashboards, and other hard-to-reach areas. Super simple to use. Just press it in, lift it out, and watch the dust vanish. No residue, no mess. It's also lightly scented, safe for your skin, and eco-friendly. Unlike sprays or wipes, this reusable gel lasts until it turns black. Simply store it in the sealed container for future use. And it's not just for cars. It works perfectly on keyboards, remotes, and office gadgets too. With a 4.2-star rating from over 800 reviews and priced at just $6.99, it's a must-have for car owners who love a clean ride. Great as a gift or stocking stuffer. Get yours today.